What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one is a lot better than I thought it was. And I got it because it was made by a goat for another goat. Wait. It was made by a goat's company for another goat. Wait. It was made by a basketball goat for a baseball goat. Wait. It was just made by like the best basketball player for the best baseball player. So that already gives you enough right there. So let's just jump into it. Shout out to Champs Sports. This is like the second. This is the second raffle that I've won from Champs ever. So I'm trying to get pretty good luck with them. To start with, that's the box. I love this box. There's so much going on right here. It's, all the old school things from the wings little promo thing. That looks like the last shots, commercials, the comic book, like drawings. There's all types of stuff going on right here. Jam Slam. So, wait, is my size on it? Nope, wrong side. Bang. Size 12. Now, when the dude brought it out, he was like, yeah, you want to check it out? I was like, yeah, that's cool, man, because he wants me to make sure that they're good and everything. So I went to go open it, and he was like, yo, put on sunglasses, son. I was like, what? And he was like, yeah, it's one of those. Put on sunglasses. I was like, alright, so put on sunglasses. And this is why. Yeah. It's like the sun. Alright, but for real though. Like right when you open it, I mean, you got black paper. It's like done up with like two types of it. You already know that this is going to be good. Plus the smell of it isn't like another Jordan. So that right there either tells you it's fake or it's really good quality because it don't have that typical glue smell. And since it's from Jordan, it's that really good quality. I'm going to go ahead and I'll throw the one with the extra laces on right there for you guys to check out while I break another window getting rid of this box. Alright, so I was super surprised with this shoe. If you didn't get this, you need to get this. I'm just going to tell you that right now. The quality on this, the suede alone, is better than any Jordan I have. It's better than a lot of shoes. Period. Like this suede that they picked is like old school quality suede. Like I mean, it's got a shine to it. It like changes colors just by looking at it. Like, then you can flip it. You don't even need to see. Look at that. You don't need to like rotate it. The light don't have to hit it all funny. Like you can just see it flip. That is some good suede right there. It's not balled up anywhere. It's just perfect. The inside of it has a way better, it's like a polyester liner. It looks like cotton, like your typical Jordan liner for the inside of the shoe. But it's like either polyester or extremely fine suede. It just feels so good. It's like so soft. This is the Jordan 11 Low Derek Jeter Respect. Re2pect, whatever. Now, for those of you that got the one like I did, that one was cool. The quality on it was just like every other Jordan. But this one, because of its protege, wait, am I using that right? Yeah, its protege, the one that came before it. I don't know. I don't think I'm using that right. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I just got off work. This ain't right. Alright, so the one that came before it, because of that one being so good and so limited, they had to back it up with something that was just as good. So the original one was a high. That one dropped exactly 1 year ago. This one dropped May 14th at 2018. The high dropped May 14th, 2017. Or maybe it was the 17th. Pretty sure it was the 14th. So the original one was limited to 5 pairs. And it only released at a pop-up shop outside of the Yankees Stadium to commemorate Derek Jeter's jersey retirement. And the only way you can get it was off of like a scratch card, like raffle system kind of thing. You went in and got a scratch card, and if you won the ability to buy it, but they literally only had 5. So one of the pairs went for auction for like $40,000. It was crazy. So, you know, with that one, I mean, people were going nuts for that shoe. And you can tell just by looking at this and holding it in hand, this is its baby. The low, like, same bottom to it, same upper, same suede, same everything. They went the extra mile in this. It's got that navy blue premium suede upper. It's got the premium leather laces, the milky outsole, and the number 2 and the Jumpman are both embroidered. So, no worry about that coming off. There's a number 2 on the insole right there, if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Try to get the light on it. There's a number 2 in there. And right there on the tongue is Respect, embroidered as well. Not just one of those little labels, it's actually embroidered in there. And same thing with this one. It's got Respect on the inside. You can see that. Yeah. Number 2 Jumpman. And the Jordan that's typically on all the Jordan 11s. This one, just like the highs, come with one of the awesome insoles. What better way to, top off a high quality sneaker than to put high quality shoehorn in it. Let's get this on feet real quick. I gotta put this on. Just the feel on the inside of this alone, you could wear this thing barefooted. So let's get this on feet. Yeah, like I said, I mean, these feel amazing. I'm going to crep these as soon. I can't believe that I didn't crep them before I put them on. But I'm going to crep these as soon as this video is done. And yeah, definitely get Crep. Crep's great for suede and stuff like that. And it will protect your shoe from anything and everything. So believe me, you want it. With the quality of suede that this is, I probably wouldn't wear it in the rain anyway because it might bleed. So just think about that if you got them. And a lot of people don't know this, but Jordan brand, Derek Jeter is the next highest endorsed, or the next best endorsed player that Jordan brand has, next to Michael Jordan. A lot of people don't really think that he's endorsed by Jordan because when you think of Jordan, you don't really think of Jeter. You think about all the other people that have it, CP3, stuff like that. So a lot of people don't really think about Jordan like that. But yeah, I mean that's about it with this shoe. Like that, you can't really say much of anything. It's high quality, extremely high quality. The price tag on this was $200 compared to the 175, but I really don't care, and you shouldn't either because the quality is well worth it for an extra $25. Come on now, it's better than what they're doing with the other ones where the shoe is normally $190. You wanted high quality and they're charging you $450 for it, and the quality's not even that much better. So for a really good quality shoe, an extra $25 is not bad at all. So how many of y'all copped it? I probably would have got it either way. I think the price is right now, if you didn't cop it, you can get it for like $240 or $250 on StockX right now. I highly recommend getting it for the collection though. The other one, you could have passed on the Jordan 1, but I don't recommend passing on this. The history of this one's amazing. For those of you, which there were a ton, that couldn't get the high because of the fact that there was only 5. This is literally the exact same thing. Literally the exact same thing. Same quality and everything. So go ahead and get it. And the smell, like you want to smell a great quality shoe, probably the closest thing that a lot of people will get to a sample Jordan. Get this one. It smells almost identical to it. So if Jordan only got all their shoes made from this factory, everything would be right in the world. But how many of y'all copped it? What do you think about the shoe? I actually debated about it until I just went in there. I was like, screw it, I'll go pick it up. And I'm totally glad that I did. So don't second guess yourself, go pick it up. Make sure to follow me on social media. Links are in the description. Stay tuned for B-roll and some good photos. And check this video out for the giveaway we got coming up. And we're getting closer and closer to 500. And when that hits, I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to let that one kind of ride out a little bit on my surprise. So, and make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Got a lot more fire coming. You don't want to miss it. I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.